to Pauna's Kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to share salad recipe that I have been preparing for almost 20 years now. Ever since I was in my first semester of college, this is the salad I used to depend on all the time because it's very quick and easy and healthy. To sprout the beans. In a large bowl, take mung beans. Rinse the mung beans and soak for 6 to 12 hours in cold water. After 6 to 12 hours, the beans will swell. Drain away the water. Rinse them with cold water and drain again. Place the beans in a cheesecloth or sprouting jar and keep in a cool, dry, dark place to sprout. After about 12 hours, mung beans will be sprouted really good, but if desired, you can keep little longer for more sprouting. Very funful, very easy. And as you can see, they are looking just gorgeous. I simply love them. And in this episode, you will see how you can season Indian way and then keep on using in your salads. I love to sprout mung beans, and it's been one of my favorite since many years now. And so every week I sprout mung beans, and I then use in soup, salad, sandwiches. They're very useful. So once they are sprouted well, I refrigerate them and use as needed. In this episode today, let's prepare quick salad. As you can see, in this bowl I have red bell pepper. You can use any color bell pepper, onion, greens, like all kinds of basil. Here I have sweet basil. Here I have dark opal basil. Spinach. This is Malabar spinach I have. Very velvety. I simply love it. All this is from my garden. Cilantro. Grapes. I love this. They are so sweet and juicy. I mean, grapes are always juicy anyway. So I prefer to add at least one juicy fruit in this salad. Here I have cucumber. Cucumber is must actually for this recipe, but if you don't have, you can leave it out. So here I'm chopping red bell pepper first. You can chop however you like for this recipe, but I just like to chop all the vegetables kind of the size of my sprouts, so makes it easier to scoop in when eating the salad. Cucumber, and I just chop all the vegetables roughly. They don't have to be precise. This recipe is very friendly. You can use vegetables of your choice, lettuce or the greens of your choice, fruits even your choice. So basically fruits, vegetables and legumes, everything is in just one bowl, and it's very versatile. For the lunch box even, you can take it to your office or school. Some onion. I'm done with onion as well. Next, I'm going to move on to my greens. Here I have. And by the way, you can keep the stem or you can remove. They're tasty actually in cooking, but when I want to use raw spinach, I just remove those stems. So I'm just going to chop roughly. Now when it comes to all the herbs, I normally just tear apart the leaves like this. I just don't chop them, just roughly tear them apart like so. So that's a sweet basil. Here I have dark opal basil, just a different variety. I'm so much into basil. Oh my gosh, they smell so amazing while I'm tearing them apart. So just like that. Same with the coriander leaves even. Remove the stems and then just tear them apart. You can chop them if desired, but this is how I like them in my salad. And then the grapes, I usually just throw them whole. If desired, you can cut them, but I don't want the juice to be going all over. I like to bite into them, so I just keep them whole. Now the beans sprouts can be thrown just as it is raw, but I would like to go one step further. I temper them with my Indian style kind of, and tempering brings out that amazing flavor, and it also enhances the color of the sprouts. On a medium to high heat, take about a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is slightly hot, add mustard seeds, right, if you have available. This step is totally optional, tempering the sprouts. Here I have asafoetida, hing. Now be sure to let mustard seeds crack. Here I have curry leaves. Just tear them apart. While the mustard seeds are popping, add ginger, garlic and green chili. You can mince or crush however you like. And immediately add mung sprouts. And turn off the stove now. Add salt. Cover to steam slightly. If desired, you can cook, but I just like them just as it is. This is the color I'm talking about, how they turn glossy and little vibrant in color, as you can see. So the tempering enhances a lot of flavors and the color as well. And now these mung sprouts can be stored into the refrigerator for up to a week. And now let's plate it up. I'm preparing 2 plates today for myself and for my husband. So first I'm going to prepare the bed of all the greens, spinach, coriander leaves. If you see some big chunks of herbs, you can just tear it apart so that they don't just come in one bite, but they come in every bite, like so. If you have some romaine lettuce, you can use. I simply love crunchy lettuce. And next, onion, pepper and the cucumber. So throw in some onion, pepper, red bell pepper. Next, cucumber. So basically just throw in the plate. Don't forget grapes. If the grapes are big, you can chop, but as I said earlier, I don't want juice to be spreaded everywhere. Here I have some green grapes. All of them are seedless I'm using here, but you can use your favorite variety. And finally, mung sprouts on the top. Love it. If desired, drizzle some lemon juice on sprouts. And the salad plates are ready. Look at the yummy looking salad. So colorful, so crunchy, and taste amazing. So you saw how simple and easy it is to prepare this sprouts salad. I can eat this salad all year long. As I said earlier, I have been eating almost for 20 years now, and even today my mouth gets watery as soon as I see this salad. Amazing. This salad is must for those who are trying to eat a little bit healthier, trying to maintain weight. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, making of beans sprouts salad. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly videos. You can download Bhavana's Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavana's Kitchen is everywhere. Thanks for watching and see you soon.